Hello everyone, welcome to my channel I the Pharmacist, where we explore the fascinating world of science and health. Today we are diving deep into the world of muscle building, but we are not relying on bro science or fat diets. So, grab your notebooks because we are about to break it all down. Segment 1: The basics of muscle building. To start, let's understand the fundamentals. Muscle building occurs through a process called muscle hypertrophy, and there are two primary types: myofibrillar hypertrophy, which increases the size and number of muscle fibers, and sarcoplasmic hypertrophy, which increases the volume of the fluid within muscle cells. Myofibrils contain the contractile protein actin and myosin, which are responsible for muscle contractions. Myofibrillar hypertrophy results from heavy lifting with lower reps, usually between 1 to 6 repetitions per set. This type of training emphasizes lifting maximal loads. Also, it increases the actual contractile proteins within your muscle fibers, making them stronger and denser. On the other hand, sarcoplasmic hypertrophy is achieved through higher rep, lower weight training. It actually increases the fluid sarcoplasm within the muscle cells, providing more energy for endurance activities. This type of hypertrophy does not significantly increase the number of myofibrils. It leads to larger muscle size but with less density. It is more associated with bodybuilders and endurance athletes. To target sarcoplasmic hypertrophy, individuals often use higher repetition ranges, typically 8 to 15 repetitions per set, and shorter rest intervals. The training parameters and goals of individuals will determine which type of hypertrophy they emphasize in their workout routines. Okay guys, let's move to the next segment: nutrition for muscle growth. Nutrition is a crucial aspect of muscle building. The calories you consume and the nutrients you provide your body play a vital role. Caloric surplus. Your body's weight is largely determined by the balance between the calories you consume from food and beverages and the calories you expend through physical activity, metabolism, and other bodily functions. Building lean muscle mass requires a moderate caloric surplus, meaning you consume more calories than you burn. However, muscle gain tends to be slower than fat gain in a surplus, and genetics, training, and other factors play a role. I would suggest you to consume 300 to 500 calories more than your maintenance calories, which you can calculate with nearly any weight gain fitness calculator in the net. Another important factor is the protein intake. Protein is the building block of muscle. Aim for a protein intake of around 1.2 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight to ensure you have enough amino acids to support muscle growth. Now I'm gonna give you a list with the best protein sources, and the first one is animal-based protein sources. Firstly, meat. Beef, chicken, turkey, pork, lamb, and other meats are rich sources of protein. They also provide essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. The next source will be fish. Fish such as salmon, tuna, trout, and cod are not only high in protein but also provide healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce your inflammation in the body. Seafood. Shrimp, crab, mussels, and other seafood options are protein-rich and offer a variety of vitamins and minerals. And one of my favorites, eggs. They are excellent source of protein with both the egg white and yolk containing polyphenol. The next one is dairy and dairy products. Milk. Cow's milk, as well as alternatives like almond milk, soy milk. I would suggest you to avoid the soy milk, and oat milk can be good sources of protein. Yogurt. Greek yogurt and regular yogurt are rich in protein and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. The next source will be cheese. Cheese varieties like cottage cheese, cheddar, and mozzarella provide protein along with calcium and other nutrients. And now for the vegans and vegetarians, plant-based protein sources. One of the best is legumes, beans, black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, lentils and peas are excellent source of plant-based protein, especially peas. Another good source and option is tofu and tempeh, but I would suggest to avoid everything that contains soy. These soy-based products are versatile and can be used in a wide range of dishes, but they have one drawback. The main issue is that soy contains compounds called phytoestrogens, specifically isoflavones, which are plant compounds that have a chemical structure similar to the hormone estrogen. Because of this structural similarity, phytoestrogens can interact with estrogen receptors in the human body and can cause bad side effects such as erectile dysfunction and gynecomastia. Next we're gonna talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, peanuts, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds are examples of protein-rich nuts and seeds. Grains such as quinoa and whole grains like brown rice and whole wheat pasta provide some protein along with fiber and other nutrients. But just bear in mind that rice and pasta contain a lot of carbohydrates. And the last one are the processed protein products. Protein powders such as whey protein, casein protein, plant-based protein powders, pea protein, rice protein are convenient options for increasing protein intake during the day. And now we're going to talk about the next segment, timing and supplement. It is paramount to prioritize eating protein-rich foods after workout, since your body needs them in order to repair its muscle. Avoid eating fat an hour or two after workout, and once again prioritize your protein intake. Okay, now to segment 3, effective training techniques. Now that we have covered the basics, let's explore some scientifically proven training techniques for building lean muscle mass. Progressive overload. It is the foundation of muscle growth. It means consistently increasing the resistance or weight you lift over time to challenge your muscles and stimulate growth. It is vital for you to gain strength in order to stimulate your muscles to grow. Bear in mind that compound exercises like squats, deadlifts and bench press engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them highly efficient for muscle building. You need to include them in your workouts. The next thing you should know is that periodization involves changing your training routine regularly to prevent plateau. It can include variations in intensity, volume and exercise selection. Alright, we are moving to segment 4. It's really important to bear in mind that you need to recover properly and to rest. Building lean muscle is not just about training hard, it's also about recovering smart. First and foremost, sleep. Quality sleep is essential for muscle recovery and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Secondly, rest days. Give your muscles time to recover by scheduling rest days in your training program. Overtraining can hinder progress and lead to injuries, which may be fatal for your progress and wish to continue to train after a nasty injury. And the last segment, tracking and measurement. Last but not least, let's talk about tracking and measurement. To track your progress, keep a workout journal. Monitor your lifts, body measurements and overall performance to ensure you're moving in the right direction. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay focused, stay committed and watch your body transform over time. I hope you enjoyed this video and type of content. If so, please like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.